Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see symmetrical power supply. In this supply GBJ diode have used. This is input. Connect here center tapped transformer. This is fast low glass fuse. Choose according to your transformer current. Here we have used GBJ package, 25 ampere diode. If you want to make 35 ampere supply, then replace it with GBJ 3510 diode. Here we have used 10,000 microfarad 80 volt capacitor. This LED indicate that circuit is working properly. From here you will get output. Connect the amplifier here. You can use this supply for 18 volt to 40 volt amplifier. If you want to use this supply for low power amplifier, then use 4700 microfarad 50 volt to capacitor here. We hope you like our videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, then comment below. Thanks for watching.